Welcome to Science Tree channel, and today's topic is Uses of Alkynes from chapter number 12, and it's all about hydrocarbons. In my all previous lectures, you have learned about alkanes, alkenes and alkynes. Now this is the last one but not the least one. In alkynes, acetylene is the first member. It is the simplest one having triple bond in it. Now acetylene produces oxyacetylene flame with oxygen and it is highly exothermic. Exo means to release, to exit, and what the word thermic stands for. Thermic means heat. So it is highly exothermic reaction means that heat will released, and this heat is used for welding and cutting purposes. How can we forget to find out the uses of alkynes in medical science? So for medical science, alkynes are highly important parts. In antitumor agents, the word antitumor means in dissolving the tumors. A very renowned medicine, Calicheamicin, is an example of anti-tumor working agent. Alkynes are used in the manufacture of many drugs on the market such as antiretroviral. Antiretroviral drugs are those drugs which doesn't inhibit the disease, but actually it controls the disease so that person will able to live a healthy life. Efavirenz is an example of antiretroviral drugs, and the antifungal Terbinafine is also made by the means of alkynes. So in case of medical science, alkynes are very important in treating the tumors, fungal diseases and also the viral diseases. Alkynes are also used in preparing chemicals. Now, acetylene is used to prepare other chemicals such as alcohols, acetaldehydes and other acids. And no doubt, all these are very important from industrial point of view. It is also used starting material for manufacturing of organic compounds such as chloroperine and vinyl chloride. Alkynes are also used in the ripening of fruits. It means to make them more mature. Alkynes are used as general anesthetic in different surgical operations. Alkynes are used in making poisonous mustard gas. And what is mustard gas? Basically, this is not a gas. It is present in liquid form and used in wars. It can cause blisters. Alkynes are also used in polymer products like shopping bags, rubber, neoprene, polyvinyl chloride and so many else. And all these compounds are used in making plastic bags, plastic materials and plastic bodies. Although these are not good for health, but required in large amount in the world. The most common alkyne, acetylene, is also used in making benzene rings. And benzene rings are aromatic rings, produce fragrance. So we can say acetylene is polymerized to form benzene, which is used as a raw material to form a variety of organic compounds. A wonderful use of alkynes, portable lighting. You can take the light wherever you go. Acetylene was first used to light portable lamps, which were known as acetylene gas lamps, installed in homes, bicycles and on cars. As alkynes are used in making portable lamps, so definitely these illuminating lamps are used for individual purposes, such as for hunters and for miners' lamp. Alkynes are also used in rocket fuel. Like we can say, the overriding alkyne in acetylene is used as a fuel where many kilograms are produced every year by fractional oxidation of natural gases. Now we all know that natural gases are present in ore form. They are not present in a pure form, and we will use to purify it by fractional distillation, or we can say by fractional oxidation. We will gonna separate them in parts. Fractional means in parts. Thank you so much. For more videos, keep watching. Have a great day.